Malik Basintale, a youth employment agency, a president. Wabeka same ya magana for say na Malik. There be some na wokano. With all due respect, ko ye bibia ye fine there, ye pepe because one some na wokano, ya the tunes on ye nia. O mi se nyansa ba kokora anim. Ghana for no Abe clash with Malik Basintale. Am ebi bisa kwa je so. Ye fidie na this government no esuma ma Ghana for no. Ana se dey. I Penyah block me. Me dwedwa mu me break bibia down. Am what nsem Malik Basintale eko kan enra Takrade Technical University ehonamo. Na so akire wa adwen. Ewo ho mesere wa se wada woroma. Obi mi subscribe button so. Now be turn notification icon on for latest updates. We have post video bia. Obenya notification. Na wada woroma obe kire wa adwen e de ama me ewo comment section. Eya bomodin a na ewo so ema wonu aso. Enya benhwe. No me kan phone nala e na de ama wo US and UK for send this every fee for code Penyah TV no better $20 amazing. Hey, we just send this akọ Ghana and any other Africa country be also through the person's mobile money account and I said the bank account. Check out to our phone so Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Na install account no. Never send this every fee. Very fast transaction. Let's go to the step. We say Ghana system says Ghana no ababeya economy na. Ebi mu esu edi abobo edi arewo twa adwadwo se da bi ya ton ye colored TV and ya got black and white send ye musi ba hye ye bo no enya sa na ehu niam because on campaign grounds any is for hye Ghana mabru no ebo bebrebe aba akoni 1 million coders job ebesi na minim 1 million coders job no minim de akwa akoduru minim ba bi akwa akoduru. You promise automatic posting ema both teachers and nurses. And minim se ochina and automatic posting no ever started their minim because this year NA recruitment exercise for both nursing training and teacher training the whole of last year. Yamfa obi adwuma yamfa nurse ni ba akopempo yamfa teacher ni ba akopempo 2025 ni yamfa obi adwuma. So this year and I just start FB. Now automatic posting no there forget it. Just Ghana for the charge. I just say, oh man, I said, Omuti, Eddie Omujidi, who run this government, Nimu, Bosha, who run this government, a show of Omujidi, and there. And yes, Anna, and Yama at here, but a bit so, and even we are. And it's funny, so, and maybe I are fine. I come, that's all, it's okay. It's okay. But Enra, Anna Malik Basintale, why a boss, Youth Employment Agency, the boss, and I say youth president. A copy of Takrade Technical University. I think I have minimum be on more. Oh, say minim Rebecca Kumsin. Aye. Baby will be no. So hear me, Bechao, Rebecca Kumsin. TTU, Takrade, Bechao. Malik Basintale, Echo Piemu, Ewa Honomo. Ama Okodru Yano, Omo Ebe welcome no Educo Rad the podium Honomo. Ana Malik started in Casa and Casa Muno. Ana all say, oh, NDC government, yeah, dear, Montpellier, young quiet near Banya, 1 year in office. Bosha, yes, Ghana former Brunino. Yeah, this so.
We know what we were about. We were firm and we had an aim. And I can tell you today that the NDC is virtually the first political party to have fulfilled our entire youth manifesto in 1 year. Everything we promised in there, we have done it. And so I bring you good news from President Mahama. He says we are going to go back to the drawing board, and for the first time we will put together a second manifesto and we shall implement it again before the end of his tenure. Employment had been reduced from 14% to 12.8%. Have we done it or not? And then Operation Return All the Loot the NPP said, Muntimin Chiobia, Ya Chiobia na Ya Chiobi. Ayazu, me say Ya Chiobia na Ya Chiobi.
Malik actually say, oh my doom bashas no unemployment rate as what you say who high sense as what to whom mewa IMF International Monetary Fund omo do omo survey aba bontene send we say who Ghana sika asem the economy no bibia no omo da ba no tire mu say the year 2025 no youth unemployment rate no Ghana for omo no omo Ghana ha no ma omo nya adwuma nya no see breaking into percentage are scaling up to 30% from 22.4% in 2023 up to 22.5% in 2024, achieving more 30% in the year 2025. Tamale is a good for the Nebuchadnezzar and the Ghana Kunyansuno. Now unemployment, 22.4%. 2024, the same thing. Now 22.5%. From 2023 up to 2024, no, it's scaling up to by 0.1%. But now you see, okunkuru in the Ghana Kunyansuno. 1 year in office, unemployment rate increased by 7.5%. Was moving from 22.5 up to 30% according to IMF for Omo report, Omo data, Omo the buyer. But Malik HM said, Omo Dombasha so just say, Omo buy no, be a cough for Mabuna Benya Juma, Omo Mabuna Juma air. I say Malik Basintale Joanna Numpa, and no honogrammatis and Omo L to Yumbidima and this government. Oh, much I say. Nyame kura NDC no dey twin you be say God is an NDC, God is an NDC, God is an NDC, God is an NDC. Hey Krachi muntie ni with all due respect, with the greatest of respect muntie ni samo yamo politics a monhwe so nyamo politics mamu mfa nyame metwitwi mu nsem hunu mu hwana ka se nyame no teso no ohwe man nyina no nani de Ghana NDC ne mu saa se hunu no munyai Muntimi fa nyame din me diagro. Nyame yen this in which situation, in which way? Say nyame yen this in wo kwan be so. Dia asem kura ni. Ah, blasphemy. Munyai concert no. Munyai nsem hunu no. Nyame yen this in wan yefa. Ana say ego bara. Na no. Ana Ghana for say na this government no ade amoye no. Ase ni say Masuma Malik Basintale say omra meka nsem we so that teacher near you be a portal recruitment or tour voucher card 25 cedis. Or mono or file an application because it is unsuccessful. Say the Chinese no why distressed, why trouble minded no. Say who Malik Basintale video we are not person or your day. Just so that or the buffo ever be do Malik Basintale atem. Not much no and answer day. Is it a trap? I must set a Ghana for so that open the buffo ever do Malik Basintale atem. No matter chi wo maguma na go mo dem say by all standard and some Malik Basintale eke and twansum ba kokura twansum ba kokura make sense ba kokura twansum ba kokura make sense so oga say operation cover all the loot ye can say be chi ya chi na say ya nchi a arrest abu make nyina ye free speech who arrest abu make nyina ye si obi aka say tia mahama obi atoti mahama obi aka arrest abu make nyina no enye ora asem emfa so ba kokura mama Ghana. Because operation cover all the loot no ora the bottle say ebeji sika bi amosi nipa bi awia mo beji des kana ma o man Ghana arrest am make no emfa so be na Ghana nya no so Ghana nya say Malik munya se munu no mo ho na mo amosele no mamu don't give yourself glory munya se mo amunu no mo ho na mo amosele no if this is your scorecard there then wait Ghanaians will show you your proper scorecard. Come 2028. So more pay who they are. Ghanaians will give you your perfect credit score. In 2028, mon kosonya concert. Na munu no mo na monsere. Mo amon to tone mo ho nyo mo twitwa nyo mo mfa e ma mo ho. Ghanaians will tell you your true identity, your true scorecard. And so Malik Basintale can without coming down so Ghana for now. I have a reply now.
In fact, Malik Basintale must apologize to the Ghanaian youth immediately. Immediately. This is your campaign, the youth manifesto, page 8. Everybody can Google and you can get this. 24-hour economy, employment and jobs for young people. Same job, 3 shifts. This is your manifesto. The so-called manifesto that you said you have fulfilled it. You are done with it. This is it up here. The 24-hour economy, you said Formula 133. Where is it? Now, when you look into that same manifesto, they talk about YEA giving insensitive. YEA that you are seeing, that is MPP's policy. It is not NDC policy for you to even come and fulfill it. It is MPP's policy. We have been seeing Zoom nurses not today. We have been seeing Zoom police not today. So if MPP brought a policy and that policy have even given you a job to become a CEO, how then do you come to tell the youth that you have employed people as Zoom police, Zoom fire? So for that matter, you have fulfilled a campaign promise. What do you mean? Those things were there already. What you actually said, and we have not seen it, is the automatic posting for teachers, the automatic posting for nurses. You are going to scrap licensure exams. You get it? These were the things you told the youth. And this is what is in your manifesto. Formula 133. I'm not the one saying it. Look at it boldly written. Then you come to tell us that you are done with the youth. Simply because what you promised the youth, you have fulfilled it. And all these things he's saying in his head is the Zoom police and the Zoom nurses and the Zoom fire. That is it. And this thing is MPP's policy that they brought it. And when you come, you also took over and then you continue. So what is the policy is not for you. What you really spoke about, 1 job, 3 shifts. That people want to also see that this is Mohammed's own. Like the YEA that have gave you job, that is MPP own. Your own is the 24-hour economy. But we have not seen it. Then you come to tell us that you are done with the youth. So meaning if you haven't gotten anything, you won't get again. Because they said what they promised you, they are done with it.
Black and white, ni Penyah, Adriana, Dreamy, Munusu. Namosa Ghana youth, Sana Mote. Ghana have when in a youth, Namo Ghana and me, Sana Mote. Send this for about my woman, still, and Muda Sutina Media, no sooner we didn't. Huh? Mamma, we used to see a postimo. And a black carry, ye, only will be a boy is saying that you're disso. Your manifesto in the Kenya, I am beautiful. You're any Namam Tizia, the baby, Namosore at the Mosore did the Mosore at the end. Nurses for your posting, teachers for your posting. Huh? Automatic posting and my. And I said, some Ghana youth, Moncano Cressa. And I must say, any, Monka be being churned my aim. Monka be being churned mine was say a ball mushe winano, or muddy so. Uma you be a said Yaman or Ghana, and the Ghana youth, Munina, Moatomo, and the cry him the test more G free NDC for her. It says, oh, my dear Mupenina, Alawan some massage my day. Eh? Not before Mocasi 15 months, yent you muke, me sure say me credit pray, yet you are for Mosokora. Huh? I don't know much I'm told 20 for sir. Almost a month for failing, more for failures, more for failing, Piamu Pipia Mamu. Hey, yes, you. Any Ghana youth, you perceive about your bones and moving media, so I did it. Because you say, why shame winning any Mamu. And I'm one kind of credential. Maji Jashi Mukoto Kum, one kind of credential yet. Huh? Charm my neck and yam America. Huh? She say, we a first manifesto, ye, because second one. Since I ya for failing the Mupin in Amamui, ya posting more, hey, Juma, mo be a Juma, year 24-hour economy, a year Juma, 1 train a year Juma, my youth, a more woman, no be a Juma Yaman and say, Corner, one. It's a baby and Pesa by Yamam. Hey! Timothy, you made no general chantro. And the person what say, Basintale, who person what say, youth in this room, Musu, Ghana, and say, one say. And my baby, I'm more secretly, you know, mobile name, my best one, say, some Monya Shema woman. Oh, Abraham, you mean him says, same for 4 cat of social motua, basis a munchi or mocha. I be jam a catcher, said, and Yamo fort, why, Yamo fort. You couldn't name Piana, you know. No, any yet to 4. Now, Mount Basintale, what time 10 see the question and Chinam when I watch the baby, I will open. Now, and change one after. Why?
Now, Kwabna, Yeni Kawaka Krana, Yera Malik Basintale Kwakasa. You know, one thing that they hate about us, is a woman can't be. Emma, in your contumpo, me yama womanko. Yeah, what can't some Nanyano cry, your baby to her. Now, Yera Malik Basintale, NDC is the only government, a woman buyer. wɔn de 1 year afɔfele ɛyɛ wɔn youth manifesto. In fact, yen nyai mamamfo ntwatoro wɔ kurom ha. In fact, kwabena ope onipa baako a ne ho ayɛ me wanwa aba ye mu pa ɛyɛ saa krachi Malik Basintale. Ɔno a because ni kiki sem ni ade a wɔyɛ no opposition no. Why hokra na adwuma papa bɛn ne yɛwura Malik Basintale yɛ no why? Let's be truthful. Adwuma papa bɛn ɛna Malik Basintale wɔyɛ no why ho. Ɛno nti yen nyai ma wo ntwatoro. Now, NDC Youth Manifesto a wɔn de ɛba yɛ no. Ebinie wɔn ka se wɔn bɛyɛ 24-hour economy ɛno yɛ baako wɔn bɛyɛ 1 million coders program ɛno firi hɔ a adwumawura program tie ne yɛ o ɛno firi hɔ a ɛyɛ youth ɛyɛ entrepreneurship and skill development agriculture and agric business creative arts and sports youth development ɛyɛ ministry ɛnom ka so bɛsa yɛ skill training. Now programs are kwabena mabobo so nyinaa wa wo hwɛ me emu die hen na what say yesi NDC wo ma implement ana emu die hen na wonim say wa wo hwɛ me wa benefited the free. I want to ask you guys questions. Programs are mabobo so emu die hen wa benefit the free. 24-hour economy omo say ebeboa ama mabuna nya adwuma ye ebeboa na mabuna ye say ni ade akwabena kwa mfie mienu achi ni 24 hour yenhu he womo se be ya shift ene a womo kura na abuso mo 24 omo ntimi nchiremo. Now 1 million coders program womo ka ho asem no ye tie ne say kwabena no kwasempe womo ne say they began with some pilots ewo Greater Accra, Ashanti region, Bono region, ene ye friend say the Upper East region. Ehon womo hyase a make ne wo ka say there is now official national program womo offer a digital skills pathways. But ye, womo say, womo be training nipa mako 1 million. Busa ho say nipa say no ma training. So stop lying to the people. Stop lying to the people. You see, so sometimes ye njai ma womo ntwatoro emfa nkyere manfo no. Nti e basa de a womo bibo fie. Na National Apprentice Program no, a yewra mahama launching in 2025. In the 2025 budget, we will allocate 300 million Ghana cedis. Edema program no. Ask yourself, say, what will share me? And then what you have benefit ben when you have just ask yourself. Busa hosa, dear benefit in the when you have home. A Jumera program, Kabna Wamoba Wamoka Jumera. A Jumera Samo Mokaye. Government esa allocate 100 million Ghana cedis. Edema Jumera program in a 2025 budget. Now, program where a programmer say it was designed to support the youth. Womo into a year entrepreneurship. Youth woman kasa yo majuma womo de beso womo sna boa womo. Government allocate 100 million Ghana cedis. Edema a year a Jumera program. Now ask yourself that what will share me a Jumera program no emu die business awoye obi abrosika se fashemu. Wujume dia wudi no obi aba wonchen. Sa ban se o ma ebia 30 Ghana bi 50 Ghana bi ma ebia 1000 Ghana ma 100,000 fashion business muni ade why na aban aye bia ma no why na aban aye bia ma. So some of these things we will not allow you to lie ye jama wontwatro eti ye ma wontwatro dia ene sa dia ne bubefuye ene sa dia ne manfo bubefuye won beba be dia tem won beba kansem bi dia kire ye benso nye nokure. Cause no kwasime wo mo ne say mo youth manifesto amode baye emu dodo say na mo implement wamna the omatima implement make us 1 million coders program ene in Greater Accra Bono ene eye Upper East ni ade a wo ma hyase a wo mo ye eye ye ka ne say national program ni bia ene ade a wo mo ye no busa ho say nipa dodo say na wo ma train no mo. Even the coders program no kra no hwe challenges enya ye manfo bufuofu wo mo ni ade a. So you see, my only problem with the government is when you are communicate with clarity. Can correct a man for? This is my only problem. If you are communicate with clarity. Can correct a man for? Say you can see a bit training 1 million coders. Now 1 million coders. Now ask yourself that nipa numu kramati ma training. Nipa numu womatimi. Nipa numu womatimi. 24-hour economy womo kan ho asem. Ask yourself that with a 24-hour economy, dear womatimi aye. This is some of the questions you need to ask. What might you implement 24-hour economy? Agriculture, you can say agriculture and agri-business. These are some of the things we need to ask. Creative arts and sports. So you have not been able to fulfill even 30% of Mwankasamu Youth Manifesto. So don't stand on a podium and lie to the people. Because Oscar media that is the truth. You better to her. It's more kind of crunch and say, they should tell the people the reality on grounds and on a woman country man for no. Now we be chat road ya high better to. We program na mabobosui 24-hour economy, 1 million coders program, a Jumeria program, a youth entrepreneurship and development, creative arts and sports, agriculture and agri-business, youth development ministry, and your skill training. Why not I buy what training? No? Let's be serious. Malik Basintale and Traho Nunu wants NDC. Because you guys, when it comes to your youth manifesto, you guys have not done anything. In fact, my primary policy, which is the 24-hour economy, you've not been able to do anything. I think now you must say, "You bubu baby see market in here." We na ya asema.
We start to the word there, mama. Comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.